In this particular tutorial, what we're going to learn is how to create a custom section for a biosketch document. There's every so often a faculty member may ask for a special section within a biosketch that may or may not be included in the official NIH biosketch. So within ResearchLogiX, we have a special section where it allows you to be able to create a customized section and then apply elements to that for display on a biosketch. So what you're going to first do is you're going to go into your biosketch within the Edge console, and you're going to notice along the left-hand side we're going to have Edge.Custom Sections. Now this is where you're going to be able to create these custom sections and be able to maintain specific items within that respective section. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go and click Create New Section, and what this is going to be, this is going to be the actual heading of the section. So I'm just going to go and click Test Section. And then for a section description, this is just to elaborate a little bit more. This will not appear on the biosketch itself. This is really for reference purposes. So this is a sample test section. And then simply click the Create New Section. Now what this is going to do is along the left-hand side, you're going to see that this new test section has been created. And it's at this point that you can go and just drill into that section. It's going to have a similar interface as it is with every other EdgeDoc section. But here, these are going to be elements that are going to pertain just to this created section that you just created. So I'm just going to go ahead and just do sample item A. If it's a date element, then you can apply that here. If not, then it's not going to appear on the biosketch itself. But for this, I'm just going to do a sample date. So I'll say 2007 through 2016. And then so what we can do is now that this item has been saved within this collection and we want to apply it to this particular biosketch, we can just simply click it. And what this is going to do is this is going to add that new section that we created. Here's my test section. Again, these are items that are not necessarily found on a biosketch all the time. These particular items are going to be attached to a specific profile. So it's highly customizable for what you should possibly need. So thanks for joining me on this tutorial. And as always, thank you for using the ResearchLogiX platform.